Hello, guys. I've been wondering. You saw this in my thing. So I've been playing this game for a while, actually.
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebill's presence, lived Chipper and his son, Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin. Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa. So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough. But, as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder. After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone. The family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Sorry, I haven't posted like a long time since I posted a lot of other videos and I kind of had my share of school.
Now, not to be, summer of your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry years.
That's why my father said to me when was your age. What the heck is wrong with your belt? It looks like he's gonna... Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. Yo, I can't take this dialogue. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went. Really weirdo. It's me. Anyways, I will give you full control. Okay, got it. I can't. I got it. Top 10 ways such. Okay, how long is this? Okay. Yeah. No. Did I hear my mom in the background? She's talking to her, sit my Okay, got that. Okay, I played this game a long time ago, but then my dad made a new account, so yeah. Sorry. Plan. Speedrunning this. You know, if you do this. Jam both of them together. You can do a little bit more faster. More efficient. Finally, I got a football. This might be just for later. Time to go work. Easy. Let's make some rich wood. I played this game before, I just restarted after my dad made my own account on the computer. Spam. Okay, that's it. Go chop that tree down, don't forget to make some lumber out of the wood. Okay. Make lumber. Time to get serious. Okay. Left enough for the chip on mat to put off. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this may take a while. Have enough? Over here, just Hey! Nice mini rock. Okay, let's take some more lumber. Let's place this guy over here somewhere. Just found this one. Oh, that's a different top. Okay, plant. Okay, let that go. There is he. There he is. Yeah, let's go do this. Let's just do these all really quick. 5. Okay, so we can just spam this all. So we got 2 lumber. Okay, no, we just need 1 more and then we'll be good. Okay. That's in. Wait. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna pause the video right here just in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I checked something. Take another lumber. This may take a while until we get to the actual night and stuff. So I don't know. Plants. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. I guess our first night's starting. So every time we beat up boss, we're gonna end the video. So yeah, later that night. Oh, okay, nice begun. Okay, I played this game before. Let's see, right click to grab the batteries. Why does it still sound like birds are chirping? Where's that guy? Where's that beaver? Well, I'm about to run out of battery. Okay, he's gone. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go upstairs really quick. Should we just wait until we hear knocking again? Okay, other side. Go, 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 go. Now. Okay, go. I guess we're gonna have to wait until the knocking. Okay, we got that one done. Go back. Wait for another knocking. Like 5 more to go. Hopefully it'll get a butt. Okay, magic 8 balls right there. Go, 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 head. Other side, other side, other side. I gotta look this up here. Let's read it. Yep, it's right there. Let's wait. Okay. Once we defeat the boss, I think we'll probably end the video here. We'll end the video. Okay. So. Gone. Okay, one more. Other side, other side. We'll go to the other side. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we can go to bed now. Yes. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna be stressed once we get to night 2. We woke up.
Good morning, son. Are you ready for your new round for round 2? Okay, I got it, father.
Guess we're gonna have to do this one hit again. Hey, triple mouse. Thank you for that star. Rotten fungus.
Oh, JoJo's one visitor. Power. Well, he's glad to have a visitor. Power on is very lonely. Huh, a beaver? Oh no, you're a short flower. Beautiful flowers. Oh.
No. Hey, come on, DeMarco, come down. So here we go. Oh, bro. No. Oh no, I would be embarrassed if I got the next one. First ever boss here. Okay, come on, jump here. Why am I dying almost to this guy? No. Bruh. Oh, okay, this is dumb. Well, that's the first boss. Oh, what? Okay. Let's wait for him. Oh. Oh. Wait for it. Ow! Maybe this one. Ah! One, drop here. Yep, we did it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again next time. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.